Hello, I believe everybody can hear me clearly. I believe everybody can hear me clearly. Okay. So I welcome every one of us to another day. We are going to be looking at the direction of the market for today. Yesterday we discussed about the market on different pairs, and almost all the pairs that we analyzed played out the same way we analyze it. That's a plus to every one of us because we all did it together. Now, today, I want to look at these few pairs today that we are going to be analyzing. Euro card, let's take a look at what we analyze on the Euro card. On Euro card, I told us that we should expect our TP at this region. Then when they come to this region, we should look for a divergence if truly they still want to continue pushing this market upward. There will be a strong divergence here. And right now, they are the market maker footprints. Let's go straight to 15 minutes time frame to see what is really playing out there. We can see that there is a very strong divergence. And another thing after looking for strong divergence is looking at W pattern. W pattern, meaning that they give us a strong divergence. Then we can see this W pattern here, which means our entry is on the second leg, which I would like to be adding 13 moving average. Will show us two ways to do that. Number one, there is a strong momentum which indicate that buyer are coming, because if you look at the sell momentum have been on Euro card on 15 minutes time frame. Look at it. The seller try, the buyer try, the seller still push, the buyer try, the seller still push, the buyer try, the seller still push. Now at this stage, you can see that there is a conflict between the buyer and the seller. Now what happened? The buyer took over from the seller with a strong momentum. With a strong momentum. So now the question is, when the seller tried to challenge the buyer, we could see that they couldn't even break the momentum that the buyer created, which the moment they close above here, we can see another beautiful W here, which I would have placed my entry here, place a buy, then put my stop loss here. So that is my own decision. Like I said, I'm expecting a buy to push to the price of 1.5150 from this place. And if the market will not go, then they will need to break this W structure that they did here. They will need to break it. Once they break it below, then study the momentum of the seller there and continue selling till they get to the price of 1.4950. So that's my decision on Euro card. If you have anything that you want me to discuss on, please drop it on the comment section so that we can discuss on it. You can drop it on the comment section. So that is my decision. So far, so good. Let's continue. Looking at Euro JPY yesterday, also we discussed on Euro JPY. We discussed on Euro JPY. We discussed on Euro JPY, and yesterday I told us I'm expecting a sell momentum here, which they gave us a strong one, and they are pushing it back right now to give us a good M formation. And what does that M formation stand for? The M formation means that the market maker, the people that owns the market direction, they always induce a lot of buyer in the market. Now they know that many of you will not place a buy here until you see this strong bullish momentum candle. And once they see that you see this strong bullish momentum candle, they will then many people will now place their buy order, buy order, buy order, buy order. And after they have filled in their buy order, the market maker will shift the market against them to hit their stop loss. Because when they place buy here, many of them will put their stop loss here or put it here where they break the structure or below it. Then what they will do is that they will remove everybody's order. Now they will now give you another opportunity to see that this market truly want to go buy. They will give it to you. Remember, many people will not pick it here until they now say, this is another bullish engulfing. Let's try and place a buy here. So after they have seen that many people are feeling buy order, then they will return it back. The moment they return it back and you can see a clear M formation, you will see that the movement will be so strong that they will not wait for you. Now, for example, how do you see it here? Look at this particular place here right now. Let me use this thing. People begin to fill in their order, then they took them out, then they try to show you again another sell momentum. Then what happened? They clear them off. Then range people will be like, this thing want to sell. This is a bearish pin bar. Then they took everybody unaware and they took them off the market. So that is all about W and M. In forex market, you need to understand why is it W, why is it M. I just explained why W, why M. So now, if I go to lower time frame on this Euro JPY, I might go there and see if there is any opportunity for me to go bearish. Like I told you, you need to see a formation there. Number one, we need to see a divergence. And presently, there is no divergence. And looking at this present market, maybe this might give us a nice divergence. After seeing divergence, look for your M formation. If you see M formation there, and you can see that at the close, like look at this W right now, they gave us a W here right now. This W, it didn't close above the 13 moving average. So now look at it, it closed above it, then they came back to give us a nice second leg of beautiful W. Now they close above here. This is where you should place your buy and put your stop loss here. Very tight stop loss and expect it to go. So now when you are doing that, it must be in line with the direction of the market. It must be in line with the direction of the market. So don't just say, oh, this is W, oh, this is M. You now go and be trading it. Then I can tell you, I don't want you to burn your finger and I don't want you to burn your money. But remember, we are in a reactive market and it needs a proactive measure for you to make money. So now let's go back to our analysis on Euro JPY. Euro JPY, like I told us, if I'm going to be looking for anything buy opportunity, I will expect them to sell to the price of 158.00 before I will look for buy opportunity. And if I'm going to be selling, I will make sure that I look for my sell opportunity at 161.00. That's what I give to us. And the market drop and is pulling back. If they give us a nice divergence here with a good information, then you can sell down to 158.00. But if they break this place and they retest it and you can see a nice W pattern there, continue and buy from there to the price of 164.00. But if they give us a good nice divergence here and you can see the opportunity, sell to the price of 158. So you can always drop what you want to analyze in the comment section and make sure you share this channel with somebody. So let's look at GBP JPY also. Let's look at GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, we also analyzed that we are expecting the market to drop from this region and that if they didn't drop, Then if they break, there should be an opportunity, which they definitely did. So let's see if this region will be where they are going to give us a good, nice, let's look at the nice market maker footprint we can see around that region again, so that we can mark it out presently right now. So this is another market maker footprint we can see here, and let's see how they are going to react in this at the price of 194 or 19500. Let's see how far the price will react at 194 or 19500 to look for our sell opportunity. So if they don't give us a sell opportunity, like I said, look for your buy opportunity at this region. Let the price come back here, because the momentum is still showing that the buyer are still in the market. The momentum is still showing that buyer is still in the market. Let the price come here, give you a nice formation, and still buy to 19500. So that is exactly what I see here. But if they come to 194 or 195 and give you a nice M formation, expect a good sell opportunity. So also GBP AUD, let's look at what is happening on GBP AUD. Yesterday, I told us that if I'm going to be buying GBP AUD, I'll be expecting them to come to this market maker footprint, and which exactly I gave us 195, 1.9450, and the price came to 1.9455, 57. They came to 1.9457. So I believe we if somebody give us a price and he said 1.9450 and it come to 1.9455, I believe that you should use your own normal discretion to look at it. And that is why we say you should always use your sentimental measure in looking at the market. So if let's go to 15 minutes time frame to see if what I have been explaining to you also played out there. Let's go there. Now you can see on this 15 minutes time frame, the price came down. It gave us this, and at this place, the price went up. It came back again, and what look at it, it closed above here. If you make your entry here, you place your stop loss below 1.9449. From there, then you look for your buy opportunity. About yesterday is what we analyzed. Let's look at yesterday. When the price came back to this place, look at it. The market gave us a good, nice divergence. We can see the divergence here. And look at it. What happened? The market gave us the W. It dropped the first leg. They create the head and they gave us the second leg. And look at it. They close above that region. From there, you pick your sell and look at it. The market is still going to the top. So, however, on this GBP AUD, like I said yesterday, that I will still be looking for more of buy opportunity on GBP AUD. Why? Because the market is on the upward direction. That is why I will still be looking for more of buy opportunity. Also on AUD CHF, what should we be watching out today? What should we be watching out on AUD CHF today? AUD CHF, I promised us that what I'm seeing on this screen yesterday is I can see that the market is on a bullish direction. And like you all know that in market maker footprint, we look for opportunity of buy and sell to help our buyers. Now, looking at the buy direction, I mark out this market maker footprint that expect the price to come to the region of 0.5770 and look for buy opportunity. Look for buy opportunity. But if you look at it very well, this market is giving us a sign of a M pattern. If you switch down to 1 hour time frame, look at it. This is a nice M pattern that we can see, which you can place in your sell here to see if this market will come to 0.5770 or it will come to 0.5720. Those are the two regions whereby we might be looking for another bias. So far, so good. I will be looking for more of the buy opportunity when it comes to 0.5770 or 0.5720, because we can see that the market is still pushing in an upward direction, and we can see that the momentum of the buyer is coming so strong in the market. So far, so good. On AUD CHF, I will still look for more of buy opportunity at 0.5770 or 0.5720. Also on Euro AUD, let's look at Euro AUD. Yesterday, I told us that I'm still expecting Euro AUD to come to 1.6220, that you can look for your sell opportunity there to enjoy this sell. And I'm happy that the price came all the way from where we analyze it, and it dropped down from this region where we analyze it. It dropped down. I said look for your sell opportunity at 1.6230 or 1.6240, and that is where the price came to, and it dropped it massively. This is our TP1 which he hit, and he hit our second TP. Congratulations to every one of you who picked on that trade. And today, let's go straight to lower time frame to see if there's any good nice divergence around this region to validate if our buy scenario will be coming up. If we look at it, we can see a very nice divergence that played out here, and we can see a beautiful W here. So what I will advise you is expect a pullback to this region. You can just wait for a pullback, then look for buy opportunity to the price of let's go straight back to go and see the first market maker footprint that they left for us to enjoy. So now expect the market to first of all buy to is 1.6400. 1.6400 will be our target for this buy opportunity. So when they come to 1.6400, make sure you observe if truly the Euro AUD want to continue upward or they still want to go bearish. But for now, they are at the point whereby we should look for a buy opportunity. So buy Euro AUD, look for buy opportunity there and enjoy your buy to the price of 1.6400. But remember, follow your sentiment analysis. Sentimental analysis is what you just need. I am just giving you direction or what to watch out on this particular pair. I'm not telling you to trade it, but look at it. Does it work in line with your analysis? Also, let's look at AUD USD. AUD USD yesterday, I told us that we are seeing on a buy momentum, that if I'm going to be looking for a buy on Euro AUD, I'll be expecting the price to come back to this region, which is the price of 0.6750, which the market never comes to. And for that reason, I never took any opportunity from there. So far, so good. I'm still looking at it that could it be that this market is trying to create a sell momentum for us around this region? You can always see that at the 15 minutes time frame. Go there, go and observe if there is any M and divergence there. If you can see it, use it as your basis of entry. And remember, we are not trading indicator, we are trading price. Always observe, is there momentum? For you to know if a market has shifted away from a buy to sell direction, is you need a momentum. Look at it. This is a very strong momentum. This is a very strong momentum. Another thing is you can see that there is a very strong divergence. Very strong divergence. They drop it. Why they are dropping it here? There is no momentum here, meaning that this sell cannot sustain for long. Look at it. The buyer push a momentum again, push it again to the top, and now look at it. This is what we call momentum. This momentum has validated that truly the seller wanted to resume the market. Now the question is, can they sustain it? Let them come back to this neck direction, which is this place. Let them come back there. If they couldn't break this region and they maintain their coming down, then I will tell you to look for your sell opportunity there. Expect AUD USD to sell to the price of 0.6780, 0.5780 or 0.6750. So let me go straight to 4 hours time frame to see that we can call out a very good perfect price to every one of us. We can see where we are expecting the market to move to and get our money. Now looking at this market here, 0.6750 is my target if I'm going to be sustaining this sell. 0.6750 is my target. So far so good. That's my decision. And if they come to my final TP will be at the price of 0.6700. 0.6700 will be my final TP. So I'm looking at two TP for this sell, 0.6750 or 0.6700, to see if we are still going to be maintaining this buy momentum. But for now, we are expecting a pull down price on AUD USD. Looking at USD JPY also yesterday, we analyzed USD JPY that the USD JPY, for me to look for a good sell to continue this sell momentum that have been happening on this USD JPY, I will expect the price to come to the region of 1.4550. 1.4550. And if I'm going to be entering this price, I will expect the market to come to the region of 1.4250 for me to look for buy. But look at it, the price retraced, it never got to that region, then the price is going. So let's wait to see if this sell momentum will activate at this region. Let's see if this sell momentum will activate at this region. So far, so good. That is my decision on USD JPY. USD JPY, let's look for sell opportunity at 145.50 price, and let's expect it to our TP1 to come to 1.4250, then second TP at 1.41, 14100. So far so good. That's my decision. Euro USD, let's look at Euro USD. Euro USD, we analyzed Euro USD yesterday, and I told us I'm expecting a good buy opportunity yesterday that let them come to this market maker footprint, and from this place I'll look for my buy. And for many of you yesterday that we analyzed together, I told us that as this market is coming, let them come to this region, then look for your buy opportunity. We can see that many of you should have taken a buy, expecting the buy to get to our first TP, which is going to be 1.1150. 1.1150. The second TP will be at 1.1200. 1.1200. So that's my decision. Still look for more of buy opportunity. NZD also, we discussed yesterday that we are still going to be looking for more of buy opportunity. But before I will market to come to this region, which they never enter. But however, they are already at the market maker footprint. Let's see what they wanted to do. But if I were to be you, I would still follow a buy, because we can see that there is a buy momentum pushing upward on NZD USD. So far, so good. Look for buy opportunity at this region. Look for buy opportunity at the price of 0.6200 and enjoy your buy more and more. And if there is going to be a sell momentum from this place where they are, then expect your TP1 to be at 0.6200, then your second TP to be at 0.6150, then your third TP to be at 0.6070. So far, so good. That is my decision on NZD USD. On USD card, looking at USD card, yesterday I told us I'm expecting a sell opportunity on USD card, and I told us I'm expecting a pullback back to this region before I will look for sell opportunity. But however, this is what they did. They only came to retest that the top of the M, and they begin to drop from there. So far, so good. I'm expecting this sell momentum to get to the price of 1.3450. 1.3450 is where I'm expecting this sell on USD card to get to. So look for your sell opportunity there. Look for your sell opportunity there. You can look for your sell opportunity there to see if the market will get down to 1.3450. So when it comes to 1.3450, then we can now be discussing, would there be any buy momentum? And the reason why you will see that this market cannot go up here is, look at the momentum here. This buyer tried to range, but what happened? The seller gave us another momentum. That shows that seller are still in charge of this dropping. So far, so good. Look for sell opportunity to 1.3450. When we get to 1.3450, we can now observe if there's going to be any buy there. Thank you so much on that. So let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD, we gave ourselves this market maker footprint, and GBP USD came perfectly nice into that market maker footprint yesterday. And look at it, the market has pushed upward, which the market is still pushing in a upward direction. So far, so good. Let's look at our TP. Our TP is at the price of 1.3400. So I still expect more of buy on GBP USD. Expect more of buy on GBP USD to 1.3400. On USD CHF also, we discussed that we should be looking for more of sell opportunity. And I told us if I'm going to be expecting sell opportunity, it will be at the price of 0.8550, which they never come to before they start dropping. They only came to 0.8515 before they start dropping. So far, so good. Let's see how far they will go. I'm still expecting them to come to 0.8400 or 0.8350. That is my TP for this sell momentum. And also BTC USD yesterday, we discussed about buy momentum, that we are expecting them to come and test this region, which is where they came to, and they push it to the top. And they still came back there this morning and still expect more of buy. And if you look at it very well there, you can see that they are giving you a nice W formation there, which still shows that there's still going to be a more push on this BTC USD. BTC USD is still going to be more of buy momentum. And if I'm going to be looking for any market maker footprint that they should get to, I'll be looking at let them come to this price. Let them come to this price here. So, which is the price of 6,600. I'm still expecting BTC USD to get up to 66,000. 66,000. Let them come to 66,000 price. So far, so good. That is my decision on BTC USD. Finally, let's talk about gold. Let's talk about gold. If there is anything that you want me to discuss that I have not discussed on this, please let me know. Yesterday, I told us that I'm still expecting buy opportunity on gold yesterday, that there is a very strong momentum on the side of the buyer, that which I still see that the market will still push up more and more. And I switched down to 1 hour time frame yesterday to give us a perfect region of where the price should come to and test, where the price should come to and test, which is this region. I gave us 22,001, I think 2014, and also I call out 2,609 and also 2,605. 605, those are the three prices that I mentioned. And look at it, what happened? The price obeyed us and the market pushed in our direction. Congratulations to every one of you who pick this trade buy, and I'm still expecting more of buy. I'm still expecting more of buy. And why am I still expecting buy? The momentum she shows me that the buyer are still in charge of this market. So far, so good. I'm still expecting them to give me one more push to the top. I'm still expecting a one more push to the top. So meaning that this gold, there is a possibility that it might come to 2,645 or 2,650. 2,650 or 2,645. That is my final decision on gold. Expect more of buy opportunity. I remain Oluwase sentimental, the chief coach of Torbit FS. If there is anything you want me to discuss that I have not talked about, can you drop it in the comment section? Let's discuss. So, Elewi Ebenezer, good morning. BTC USD, I've mentioned about, I've discussed about BTC USD. So, is there any other thing that you want me to talk about? If there is anything you want me to discuss, you can always drop it in the comment section so that when I come for the next discussion group, we can always talk about it. Thank you so much for coming. God bless you till I come your way. Bye for now.